Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. This one we change by dy over dx. Next, we divide both sides by s minus 5. Y I will put on the left, ds we put on the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Next, about negative number 4, I can put negative number 5 plus 1. So this one divided by this one, we have number 1. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of y. The integration of number 1, we have s. This one, we have ln of the absolute value of s minus 5. And I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.